Hey there friends, Andrea Cox here, intuitive healer and holistic wellness coach, here to share with you 20 items that I never leave Trader Joe's without, specifically as a vegan, as a mostly raw vegan of 24 years. Now, let's get right into it. So, the first thing I get, these tomatoes, they start with a C, they're organic, they're delicious. I usually get 2 to 4 containers of these, love them. Second thing I get are bananas because, let's face it, as a vegan, mostly raw vegan, you can never have enough organic bananas. So I usually get 3 or 4 of these bundles of bananas. I love to make them into cinnamon rolls or just chop them up with a little bit of nut and seed milk and eat them as a cereal. Number 3, satsumas. Hello. Satsumas are the best thing around. They're like me in my orange dress. Just kidding. I love them. This is a meal for me, so I actually don't mind spending like 25 bucks on 15, 20 satsumas. I think they are, I think they were 25 for 11, but I don't mind it. To me, it's worth it. Next, what I get is a couple bags of spinaches. So I grow my own food, but right now I'm down to herbs because of the time of year, haven't replanted yet. I get about 10 bags of the spinach, and they had this, which I thought was amazing. 6 heads of romaine lettuce for $6. I mean, if you're a family, this is a bargain. It's a steal. So picked up some of that. So I always pick up some greens. Oh my gosh. This is the best thing since sliced vegan, raw vegan onion bread. Baby Bell plant-based cheeses. They are absolutely delicious. These are great to snack on. Your kids will love them. Love those. The next thing I like to get, the dill pickle spears unrefrigerated section. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Next thing, I don't eat a lot of rice, but because we don't know the state of our world, right? I am stocking up on organic jasmine rice. If the shelves are bare, it's because I think the apocalypse is coming pretty much. And so I get the organic jasmine rice. Next, but certainly not least, I always get a case of the green jackfruit. I love this with barbecue sauce on it. Delicious. So, you can make your own barbecue sauce with dates, sun-dried tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, herbs, blackstrap molasses, blend it up, put it on this green jackfruit, delicious. The next thing I absolutely love is hearts of palm, full of magnesium. Love hearts of palm, little bit of nutritional yeast on top of here, mix it up, put it as a side or on a salad. I love their raw nut butters. They're raw. Whenever you can find raw organic nut butters, buy them up. Raw almond butter, I get the creamy and the chunky. Love, love, love. Love, this is something different. They're Norwegian crisp bread. This is really delicious with some dates on it. Just crispy and the sweetness. Yum, yum, great combination. Love getting English organic cucumbers. I usually buy 10. Love their black garlic, a lot of medicinal properties in this, so I always pick some of this up. So the next thing, I love bay leaves. I use them in soups, stocks, and some other work I do. I absolutely love bay leaves. And since I'm making a camera adjustment, since we're talking about, spices, they're onion salt, delicious. I put it in all my dressings. I love to mix it with grade B maple syrup, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of red wine vinegar, shake it up, makes a great dressing. For Taki, my friend Elizabeth, who is an influencer, she actually mentioned this, and it's white sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, nori, which is so expensive nowadays, and it's just, you just sprinkle it on your food. It's delicious. So very inexpensive, a way to save money. So next, hemp seeds. I stock up, I put them in glass canning jars. Can't go wrong with coconut water from Trader Joe's. Love, 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 great hydration. The dogs and I love it. And let's see, what else do we have? Okay, so these coconut chocolate date bars, they may not be the healthiest, but they're very simple. I like to snack on those during the day. And the organic cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, I'm not into overt fats. I prefer to do the real things such as olives or avocados, but this is the best tasting olive oil I have had, and you have to be very mindful when getting olive oil. Other than fruits and vegetables and the canned items I shared with you and the little treats, on occasion, and I'm actually just pulling this for all of you who are too lazy to make your own nut milk, the organic oats and seeds nut milk, delicious. Not sure about the glyphosate, content in there. If it does have glyphosates in there, okay, we'll stop drinking it. And I have a way that you can get rid of glyphosate. So just look in the comments section. You can join my inner circle. I've got a great detox program for that. I'm Andrea Cox. Thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, Andrea Cox TV, and to my spiritual channel at The Detox Intuitive. And would you do me a favor? Will you connect with me on AndreaCox.com by signing up for my free newsletter? Holistic Wellness Coaching is available on my website by filling out the questionnaire. Just look in the menu, click Holistic Wellness Coaching, click on the questionnaire, fill it out, and I will get back to you. I love you. Be well.